Tatanong sa akin, unsaon ma'am, ano ang gagawin? By the way, my name is Juby, OFW right now dito sa Singapore, at ginawa part-time ang Online Business Academy. I answered this question, unsaon ma'am. So means nagtatanong siya kung ano ang gagawin. Well, first, mag-attend ka muna ng free orientation kasi doon i-discuss lahat step-by-step process kung paano ka makapag-start sa Online Business Academy. Dapat may cellphone ka right now na ginagamit mo at may social media account ka at dapat active yan. Next, dapat may user ID ka kasi ang user ID yan ang gagamitin mo para makapag-connect ka sa Online Business Academy. So well kabayan, you want to know more details of this Online Business Academy? Just directly message me and my FB account so I can prioritize you na bibigyan ko ng slot sa pre-orientation namin. So well kabayan, see you in my inbox.